Oh, misa pa. Lakas. Kaya ba natin to?
Kaya!
Kaya. Okay. And the state assemblyman? O, siya pa?
Yay!
And all the members of the board, starting with the chairman, president, and members of the trustees of the COPAO, which is the sponsoring organization. COPAO, hindi siopaw. Okay, once more. COPAO. San Diego. USA. Kaya ba natin to? Okay, kaya. Alam nyo, kaya mga Pinoy dito, lalo yung mga malalagin dyan. Kaya mo, ikaw. Napakahirap sigaw ninyo. Translation, the Filipinos in San Diego are okay. And we also want to greet the Queens. Oy ate, gusto ba? Punta ka rito mamaya, may picture taking, ha? Okay, why don't you guys, boys and girls, come a little closer. This is what this is all about. We are celebrating with you 3 great events. First of all, Memorial Day for the US of A to honor our brave soldiers and veterans. And this is their weekend. They deserve our respect, reverence, and also remembrance. Meron mga sundalo rito. Sundalo, ito sa kamay. Veterano. Okay, here we go. That includes me. Okay, how about sons and daughters and wives and widows of veterans? Come on, raise your hands. How about the descendants? Yeah, over here. Okay, we're all here. That includes Mrs. Ramos.
Yeah.
She's a veteran. I don't know, were you in World War I or World War II? World War II, veteran na po yan. At saka, she's an army wife, and so she's also a veteran, very hardworking. Hey, where are my 3 grandsons? Where are you guys? CJ, Brian, Patrick. You know, the last I saw of them, they were inside a police car. I don't know if they were handcuffed, but they were behind bars in the back seat. Here they are. Okay, come on, guys. Get up on stage and you jump off. Come on. Show yourselves.
Yes.
Okay, pick up Lola. Join up Lola. Patrick.
Mana sa lolo ah.
Okay.
Dito ako na
Ito si Patrick, anak ng police officer ito, PMA Class 82. Talon. Oh, talon off the stage. Talon. Hey, this is Brian Halasco. The mama is a football player. National